In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings for recording in OBS Studio without any lag. You may find your videos lagging while recording with OBS Studio. To resolve this, you have to follow a couple of steps. First, right-click on the OBS Studio app. In the drop-down menu, click on Run as Administrator. You should do this every time because when you run it as administrator, what this is basically doing is giving OBS Studio the authority to use as much CPU and GPU as it needs. In the bottom right corner, click on Settings. In the left side menu, go to the Video tab. Here you will see two resolution settings. For the base resolution, you need to set this to your monitor's max resolution. In my case, my monitor's max resolution is 1080p, so I have it set to 1080p. The second option is output resolution. Basically, what this means is once you're done recording, this is going to be the quality of your recorded video. You can keep it the same as the base resolution, but in some cases your video may get a bit laggy, so you have to lower the output resolution. However, I recommend that you don't go lower than 720p. If you go lower, your video quality will be very bad. Now, let's come to the FPS settings. Right now, my FPS is 30, but you should keep the FPS at 60 if possible. Remember that you shouldn't go lower than 30 FPS. Now, let's go to the Output tab. In the Video Encoder section, you should always use X264. If you use this, your video will be encoded by your CPU and it will be in the best condition possible. Now let's see the encoder presets. Here you're going to have all of these options, from ultra fast to fast. What this means is the faster the CPU usage, the less lag for you while you're recording, but then when the video comes out faster, the recording is of lower quality. So if you have it on ultra fast, you don't have to worry too much about lag while you're recording, but the video will have pretty bad quality. So I like to keep mine at very fast, which is the default for my computer. But if your computer is lagging while using this, you can change it to faster. Now go to the recording quality section. You can keep it at same as stream, but then you will not be able to pause while recording. If you need to pause, you can use any of the options below. In the recording format section, you can select the format you'd like, but I recommend that you use the MKV format. The other formats, such as MOV or MP4, tend to corrupt easily. After you are done, click on Apply and OK. Now your recording should not be lagging anymore. Following these steps, you can set the best settings for recording in OBS Studio.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.